Hey everybody, this is the Shahisbo shape-shifting box. This thing can shape-shift into 70 different shapes. Wow, oh wow. Interesting. Transforms into all these crazy different shapes. I mean, look at that one. And the other cool thing is about these is if you get a bunch of them, you can actually connect them together because they are all magnetic. That's cool, see? Looks like an iceberg. Yeah. And it's a great little fidget toy, especially if you have restless kids. They can just kind of play with it. It'll help stimulate their mind as well. Oh, look at that. That's cool.